Hi, and welcome to the Lifetouch Yearbooks and Active Educate webinar on how to email parents through your web store. As people start using your store and creating personal accounts, they are required to enter in their email address so that they can receive an instant email confirmation of their purchase. This is great for you because it helps you create an instant email database of your web store users. The purpose of this webinar is to show you how you can easily and effectively communicate with all of your web store users via email through your web store manager. Some great uses for emailing parents is to notify them of important information about your yearbook sales, or information about when yearbooks will be distributed, and of course, to remind them about your online payment option throughout the school year. After you've created your web store with your Lifetouch representative, you should have received an email from Active Educate congratulating you on creating your store. In this email, you'll find the link to your web store manager, along with your username and password that you'll use to access the email tools in your store. Make sure to bookmark this email so that you have easy access to this information. Click on the link to your web store manager from your email and enter in your username and password. To proactively communicate with your users, click on the Emails link at the top of the screen. From here, under the Manual Email options, you'll see the Create, Edit, Send Email Newsletter option. Click the button to the right to manage and create your email. To create your email, you'll want to make sure that your recipients are your web store users, meaning anybody that has used your store previously and set up their account. You can also choose from plain text or HTML format for your email. Plain text is typically the most user-friendly and easiest to create for the majority of our users. The form will automatically default the from name and from email address based on the information that was provided when you set up your store. However, these fields are editable, so if you'd like to change them, go ahead and do so. Just be sure to enter in a valid from email address so that your email will be sent successfully. Enter in your subject and just start typing in your email into the message field. Or if you prefer, you can also use the Advanced Editor button at the bottom of the screen. This will pull up a page that looks similar to a Microsoft Word document to help you with formatting the text for your email. Using this editor, you can add different font colors, boldface type, insert internet links, and even include smiley faces or images. After you finish creating your email in the Advanced Editor, click the Save button. This will close the editor and enter in the text of your email into the message field, completely formatted with the necessary HTML coding so that upon delivery, it matches the look of the email that you designed in the editor. Just click the Send Newsletter button at the bottom of the page to send your email to all of your web store users. It's that easy. This concludes the Lifetouch Yearbooks and Active Educate webinar on how you can email parents through your web store manager. If you need technical assistance with your web store, please contact our Active Educate support team at 888-490-1555 and press 2 for web store questions. Or you can contact them via email at support.bluebear@activenetwork.com. Or if you'd like to learn more about other uses for your web store or best practices about maximizing your online sales, please contact Julie Halliday at 888-543-7223, extension 3946, or via email at julie.halliday@active.com.